How to connect Printify to Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go in and do this from Shopify's side of things, because you can do it from Printify or Shopify, but I prefer to do it from Shopify because I think it's personally easier. So first you log into your Shopify admin and we go to the apps section, click on add apps and click on Shopify App Store. And now you simply just want to search for Printify, or if you, just like me, find it in here, that's good. If not, just search up Printify. You should be able to find it right away. Just go and click on it and click on install. Then simply click on install one more time. Now here you basically just want to link up your Printify account with your Shopify account. So basically if you have a Printify account already, you can just go and click on login to existing Printify account. If not, you simply just want to click on sign up using Shopify. So you're going to have a very basic setup process of your account. You're just going to state what your goal is and some more information like that. Okay, so once you're done with the setup, we're pretty much good to go. Now you can start adding your products from Printify to your Shopify store. We can do so by going to the catalog section from the left side here and click on that. And then here you're going to find plenty of different things that you can choose from, and you can just go ahead and go to any of them right now. In here, you get to choose the different types of hoodies, shirts, whatever it may be that you want to actually design, and you simply are going to be able to compare them here. And then you just click on any of them that you want to start designing and click on start designing. So in here, you're just going to go ahead and design the product as you like by uploading your images and just adding text, whatever you want really. And once you're done, you simply just want to click on save product, and you can also select different variants that you want to add from here. So once you're done editing all the different sizes as well, you can just click on save product. And now you have the option to order a sample just to test the quality of the product before you start selling it. And then finally publish your product. Now it's going to take a little bit of time for it to publish. As you can see here, the status is publishing. But then once it's done, we are going to be able to find it within the products and people can actually start ordering it. So again, once it's actually done, we are going to be able to find it in here and it is going to be active for us. So this is pretty much how to connect Printify to Shopify. It's extremely simple, as you can see. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.